Hi, my name is Aaron. I play in the bands Vigils and Drag Me Down. I currently play Collision 5B drumsticks. The sticks feel great to play. They're incredibly well balanced, and I'm quite a hard hitter, and these are some of the most durable sticks that I have used, um, which is only made better by an incredible community backed up for all the artists that use Collision. Here is a live video of me playing the song Embraces, which was a single from my band Vigil's EP called The Wayside. Hope you enjoy.